how to change leverage on XM trading. So here's how it works. First, you want to sign into your account and then choose either your real account or a demo account here. So I'm just going to do this for my demo account. Click on the demo account itself. You will see the leverage right here, and it's going to say manage as an option. So you want to click on manage. And then here you will see account information, change account name, but you won't see anything for the leverage once you click on it. So you see other options you can change, but the leverage you cannot. So what you have to do actually is to click on account here in the top left corner. And then you have to close this previous account and then click on the plus sign to open a new demo account here and change the leverage while you are setting this up. So like I just showed you, you will need to click on manage and then you will have to close this account. And once you close your previous account, you can set a new leverage. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.